In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the live stream shopping modules. So this video will enable you to learn about how to add the channelize.io modules to the page layout using the layout designer. So the first thing we do is we go to store management section and select settings. In the settings page, we select modules. So here we are going to choose the store design category. So here we search for live stream. So you can see these are the two modules we have that we are going to set up to show in the storefront pages. So before setting up this module, you have to first of all set up the channelize.io live stream shopping module. So for us to do that, let's go back to the category section and select marketing and conversion. So here we search for channelize.io. So this is it. So we'll proceed to install this module. So once we install it, we proceed to enable it. All right, so after we enable it, for the module to function, we need to get the channelize.io public key and private key. Normally this comes from your channelize.io merchant account. So you have to create a channelize.io merchant account to set this up. So you can watch a video guide on how to set this module by clicking here. So, but for this video, we'll have to proceed to set up the latest show and categories module. So let's go back. So for us to proceed to set up the latest show and categories module, we come back here again and search live stream. So these are the two modules we have to set up. So for the first one, this module will show the latest live stream shopping shows once we set it up and add it to the storefront page layout. So let's go ahead and install it. So we proceed. So take note of this information here. It says once we set up this module and save, we'll only be able to access it via the layout designer. So let's go ahead and do that. So we put the module name as homepage, since we'll be adding this to the homepage layout. So we call this latest live shows. So we set the limit as 5. We leave this. We leave all this other option. We enable this status. And then we save. So now that we've saved it, for us to set up the module, we have to open the layout designer. So to do that, we navigate to the store management section, select settings, select themes. So here we'll now proceed to edit the store. So this is the store we're editing. So currently the store is using the expression theme. So we scroll down and click on the view settings button under the expression theme. So here we select layout designer. All right, so in the layout designer page, we select the home page layout, which is this. So when you scroll down to, if you look at the installed modules, you find out that the latest live stream show module that we installed and set up earlier is now available here. So for us to add it to the homepage layout, we come here, we drag it and put it here. So we scroll down, you can see it here. So we scroll up again and move it to the top. So we can edit it further by clicking on the edit button. So you can see. So we close it again. All right. So what we'll now do now that we've added it here, we scroll up. So once you add a new module to a layout, we have to save the layout. So we go ahead and save it. All right. So after saving the layout, let's preview it by clicking this button. All right. So wait for it to load. So the page is still loading. So we wait for it to load. So you can see that the new module that we just added, the latest live show module, is here. But currently we've not added any live shows. That's why it's empty. So this is how you add the live stream, the latest live stream module to a page layout. So we can also add it to another page layout. Let's say we want to add it to the products page layout. So we come here, we search for the product page, we select it, we scroll down. So this is it. So we look at it here. So we select it and drag it here. So we scroll up again. Once we add it, we save. All right. So once it saves, we go ahead and click on the preview button. All right. So wait for it to load. All right. So now that it has loaded, let's open a product. So to view the product page layout, so we have to open a product. So let's click on this product. All right, so you see that the latest live shows module has been added here. Currently, there is no live shows, so that's why it's empty. If we have any live shows, you see it here. So let's close this window. So we can go ahead and move it from the top to the bottom and then save again. All right. So now that we've saved, let's preview it. So this will show us the storefront end. So wait for it to load. All right, so we go ahead and select this product again. All right, so you see that the module has been removed from the top just as we expected. So this is how you set the layout designer and how you add the latest live stream shows, the layout design. So let's go ahead and remove it and then save. All right, so now that we have set up the latest live stream shopping shows module, let's go back and set up the live stream categories. So we come back here in the settings section, we select modules. All right, so here we choose the store design, type live stream. So you can see that this is the only module we've not set up. So we set up the live stream show category module by installing it. So remember that once we set it up and save it, we can only access it via the layout designer in order to make it visible in storefront pages. So let's go ahead and enable it and save. All right, so now that we've saved, we can now proceed to the layout designer to add the module to the storefront page layout. So we go ahead and click on the settings button under the store management section. We select themes. Go ahead and edit the store. So remember, our default theme is expression theme. So we come here and click on the view button under the view settings button, and then select layout designer. So now we are going to add the live stream show category module to the live show page. So here we'll proceed and search for the live show page, and then we go ahead. Now that we're in the live show page here, so we search for the module that we just installed. So you can see it here. So we go ahead and add it to the right column, and then you can view the setting to be sure that it's active. Okay, so we close it, scroll to the top, and then save. All right, so now that we've saved it, we can proceed to click on the preview button. So we wait for it to load. All right, so to view the module that we just added, remember we added it in the live shows page. So we go ahead and select live shows menu here. All right, so you see that it has been added. This is the live show categories module that we just added in the right column. So once we set up the categories, you see that it will be listed here. All right, so let's go ahead and close this. So in this video, I've shown you how to set up the live stream shopping modules and how to add it to the storefront page layout using the layout designer. Thank you for watching.